What's up, everybody? Today on Make It Cozy, we're gonna make these pen holders out of your scraps. Let's get chugging. Chugging. There we go. Finished. And just like any other can, it easily opens with the Can-O-Matic 2000. Make sure you don't wear gloves when dealing with sharp objects. I'm just kidding. Although this one looks really ratty. However, when you do it with subpar aluminum, you got to go with real deal beer. Pecan beer. That way, you can get things nice and smooth. You see that? You see there's no rough edges here. So that topper with natural hardwood is a little bit too thick for me, so I'm going to do a feeble attempt on the bandsaw, but it got riffed. But got to be careful with that because like the round objects do not sit well literally on the bandsaw with a spinning blade that's spinning at 1 billion miles an hour. And even this, I'm trying to like, you know, keep it subdued with this extra piece of wood as it's going through the center, but you see how it's still spinning out of control. And if you're not ready for that, you could seriously hurt yourself. So do as I say, not as I do. I keep feebly attempting to take this to the bandsaw until I figure, you know what, it's not working. It's not working out the way I envisioned it in my head, especially spinning. Dangerous. No bueno. All right, that's enough of that. Better try something else. Orale, so we finished it up. This one's gonna be my everyday user, and it's got my Architect's pencil with the 0.5 lead, a couple of number 2s, the fine tip Sharpie, the Scribe, the thick mechanical pencil, and ballpoint pen, just a regular ballpoint pen. So as you saw in the video, right, this is just some resawn wood that I use with my bandsaw, and if you want to see that video, I'll leave a right there. You can check that out. I would appreciate that. Moving down the line, we have the Rum Lemon Sugar Daiquiri, the baby can, right? So this one, just straight up Sharpie. It's a little bit more festive with colors, but the wood on here, this is oak. And I did a method that off the top of my head I can't think of, but I'll leave it in the Booyah somewhere or down below. This one here though, I did like a semi yakisugi / shoisugiban, however you want to say it. Please let me know what the correct pronunciation is. I don't want to bastardize it by Americanizing it. So if you know, let me know, because I'd like to get more professional in my nomenclature. Anyhow, so sanded it, raised the grain with a little bit of scratchy on the, using a piece of steel wire brush. And then that way it kind of raises the grain a little bit, and then I blowtorched it. Removed the excess ash with the steel wire brush. And then I went back through and added a little bit of spray paint, a little top coat of spray paint. After that dried, I used the greenie to sand it away, and this is what I was left with. I kind of like it. It's pretty cool. Boing, there's that one. Last one, straight up yakisugi with a lid. Shiner Candy Pecan, delicious. These are just pencils. Only difference with this one is that, so I went the hole saw route on the top, but then I also added a semi-hole saw on the bottom with the next one down in terms of the circumference. That way it could sit on the lip as opposed to, or sit in the lip as opposed to on the lip. On the line, over the line.
Over the line! Huh?
And then I added just a little chamfer on the inside here so that it sits against this angle thusly. That way it's recessed a little bit. It looks a little more like a top, I guess, like if you wanted to like screw top and like go to the game. If you have any other ideas about like what you would do with the tops, what you would do differently, or other ideas you got springing in your head, leave those down in the comments below. Open the dialogue. That'd be pretty slick. That way other people can learn from it as well. And if you like what you see, I would highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button. Hit it and quit it, because seriously, because if you hit it, I'd like to keep having good content and having you come back. And if you quit it, that's really going to jack up my numbers. So, you know, just keep doing what you're doing, and I'll keep doing what I'm doing, and that'll be really cool. And I will hit you up on the next one. Peace.